Hello there, my name is Emmanuel Jacob, founder Digital Swap. Crypto trading is the process of buying and selling of crypto assets on cryptocurrency exchanges. In other words, it is the process of using one crypto asset to acquire another crypto asset. So it's also the process of exchanging from one coin to another. It is also the process of swapping from one coin to another. It is also the process of converting one coin to another. And what is the aim of all this swapping, converting, trading, and exchanges? The aim of all this is for profit making. And how do we profit from it? We profit from crypto trading when we are able to acquire, when we are able to buy a certain crypto asset when the price is low, aiming to sell it when the price is up. All right, wait a minute. If this is your very first time of visiting my YouTube channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button right now. All right, thank you. And also, I want you to click on the like button so that YouTube will suggest this video to someone else like you who is in need of an information like this. And most importantly, I want you to click on the bell icon to turn on post notification so as to be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. All right, okay, let's proceed. Cryptocurrencies can be traded when you are able to acquire one of the major cryptocurrencies. It could be Bitcoin. Yeah, of course, Bitcoin is actually the first cryptocurrency, and it is one of the major cryptocurrencies that can be used in exchange for other cryptocurrencies, for other altcoins. So altcoins are actually short for alternative coins. So any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin is actually an altcoin. All right, and also you can trade cryptocurrencies when you are in possession of Ethereum. Ethereum is actually second to Bitcoin, and it is an alternative coin. All right, then also you can be able to trade cryptocurrencies when you are in possession of USDT. So you can actually use USDT to buy cryptocurrencies on cryptocurrency exchanges. You can get it from a friend or a trusted friend on social media platforms, or you can get it on platforms that are offering P2P services like Binance, okex, local Bitcoin, Paxful, and the likes. Okay, so let me interest you with the services we do offer at Digital Swap. At Digital Swap, we do buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and any other tradable crypto assets. And we do coach irrespective of your knowledge, irrespective of the level of your knowledge in regards to cryptocurrency trading and all. We can take you from the level of a novice to a professional crypto trader. And also we do convert airtime to cash. So for instance, you mistakenly recharge your phone through bank by maybe adding a zero. So for instance, you wanted to recharge maybe 2k and you mistakenly add 10 to 2000 and it becomes 20,000 naira, and you just realize, don't worry, we can help you out by getting the airtime from you and we pay you cash. I think that is quite interesting. All right, please be very careful. Please listen to this, please. There are some scammers out there who are actually trying to clone us using my photo as their WhatsApp profile picture and Telegram, sending people DM claiming they are buying and selling crypto assets, claiming they are coaching people on how to trade cryptocurrencies. Be very careful with whoever you are trading online, because I will never send you a DM. I will never send you a DM in regards to teaching you how to trade cryptocurrencies. I'll never send you a DM in regards to buying your crypto assets. So if you need any of our services, these are the only two phone numbers you can reach us at. If anybody sends you a DM claiming that I'm the one or whatsoever, please kindly ignore, or you block the person. All right, or you kindly report the person to us via these phone numbers. All right, So finally, we've come to the end of today's video, and I believe you've learned a thing or two. And I wouldn't love you to keep this to yourself alone, so make sure you share it with your family and friends. Make sure you share it across social media platforms. And if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button now. And don't fail to give us a thumbs up. Most importantly, click on the bell icon to turn on post notification, so you'll be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.